Hey everyone, how we doing? My name is Tim Pongeraz and this is Focus on Detailing. In today's video, I'll be going over how I clean my windscreen step by step, going from a dirty bug-filled mess to clean and protected glass. My windshield was in need of some attention. I had just done some travelling and the bugs had accumulated. It was needing something more than just a spray and wipe with a cleaner. The way I'm going to be going about it today is by incorporating it into what would be a weekly wash, with just a bit more love given to the glass. There are other videos out there with similar steps, but I'm just going to go about it this way rather than cleaning your windscreen and then cars separately. It just comes down to whatever suits you. So like any wash, I start with rinsing down the entire car with my pressure washer. Foaming the car wasn't really necessary this time around as the paint wasn't overly dirty, but if yours needs it, it won't hurt to include it at the start. The pressure washer will likely remove most of the bugs and dirt off the glass. If not, don't stress as there's still a lot more to do. The next step involves using your wash mitt to clean your windscreen and the entire car while you're at it. Make sure if you have bugs over your car like mine, to be constantly rinsing out the mitt in your rinsing bucket, to remove them rather than rubbing them back over your car. Once all of the soap has been rinsed off and you're happy with how it's looking, the next step involves claying the glass. I've explained this several times over my videos, but I'll go over it again just in case. You can use the soapy water as a lubricant to help the clay bar glide across the surface, working in straight motions. This step allows you to be a little more thorough in removing any leftover bugs and helps to remove other things like light water spots, stains and just general contamination that can build up over time. After cleaning the glass, it should be free of any resin mess on the surface, but fear not if there's still some water spots, stains and even some light scratches, as now after rinsing all of that soap and drying it down, it's time to polish the glass. I'm using Chemical Guy's water spot remover, but if you have a brand that you fancy, then I say go for it if you're confident in its abilities. Now water spots are commonly found around the edge of the glass where the water is left behind, near the rubber seals, so pay particular attention to all around the perimeter. You can use a polisher for this job, but I know not everyone may have one, so this is hopefully a good display that you can still achieve great results without it. I'm using an applicator pad working this time in circular motions with the product with medium pressure, and just one of my universal microfiber towels to pick up all of that residue.
See you on the other side. Stay alive. Stay alive. All got to keep it together. Keep it together.
Now the final cleaning step for the glass is what we would commonly use on its own for just a general clean. Just your usual glass cleaner. Now I'm using a low pile microfiber towel specific for glass to wipe it all over along with the cleaner. Usually I'd use two, one for the excess and one to buff off to ensure no smearing. The purpose of this is to clear up the glass of any residue that could have been left behind from the polish and doesn't hurt for one final cleaning step to ensure a perfect finish before moving on to the inside. Now while working on the inside, you'll be able to get a better idea of all that needs to be cleaned, as the outside should be immaculate. Spray the cleaner into another low pile microfiber towel, and then work over the glass rather than spraying it directly. This could make a mess of your dash, especially if you've already got a protectant resting on it. I find if you turn your hand upside down with a microfiber towel, you'll be able to reach down further to get where you need to be. If you miss any spots, you'll certainly know about it, as it'll really stand out depending on how dirty the glass is with that hazy appearance. So take your time with this one. Having clean glass is great, but is likely to get dirty quite quickly if you don't wipe down your wiper blades. Simply pinch the wiper and run down another damp, clean microfiber towel along the blade. A simple thing to do, but will help keep your windscreen looking A1. The final step to top all of this off is to apply a protectant to keep the glass cleaner for longer. I'm using Maguire's Ultimate Liquid Wax, applying a generous amount with an applicator pad, leaving it for a few minutes, and then buffing off. This will make the glass super slick, and you'll soon see the benefits of applying a protectant to your glass when it rains or the next time you wash it. The water will slide off with ease and also help with drying, and in turn, the glass will be staying clean for a longer period of time. This is the end results. That's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out some of my other uploads. Thank you for watching this one, and I'll catch you all later.